Looking to add a modern, stylish, and user-friendly accordion feature to your WordPress site? Meet Soft Accordion, a fully customizable, responsive, and interactive FAQ plugin for WordPress that transforms your FAQ design to the next level. With over 17 ready-to-use modern themes, Soft Accordion ensures the accordion truly represents your brand. This isn't just about looks. You can easily create and live preview the FAQ accordion to track the changes. Created accordion can be easily displayed inside any page or post using shortcode, Gutenberg block, or Elementor widget. Soft Accordion offers creative control to adjust colors, fonts, spacing, animations, and layouts that feel uniquely yours. But that's not all. Soft Accordion includes a built-in FAQ schema to win rich snippets and boost the SEO score for your website. Whether you're running a business website, a blog, or an online store, Soft Accordion ensures your FAQs are presented on the right path. So what are you waiting for? Try the Soft Accordion plugin immediately and incorporate a modern FAQ accordion that turns answers into a secret weapon.